No doubt, many a times we crave for something freshly cooked, something tasty, delicious, easy to make, and substantial dish. Indian khichdi is just one of those. It's perfect winter warmer and such a comforting food. There are many variations of khichdi made with lentils and vegetables. In the West, khichdi is commonly known as kajigri, and historically it came across from Indian subcontinent to the West in 14th century. The main ingredients for khichdi are rice and lentils, and this gives you a wholesome meal since it's got perfect balance of the carbohydrates and the protein. At the same time, it's very easy to digest, and of course it's also gluten-free. Welcome to After's World, and I am After. Now my version is very easy, and I'll show you the way my mum used to make it. It's very simple and it's very nice and warming, so tasty, and I actually grew up enjoying this khichdi. The two main ingredients that will go into the khichdi is rice and mung beans. Rice you can use any type so long as they're non-sticky ones, and what you're looking for is at the end you want that thick porridgey consistency. The next main ingredient, I like to use the whole mung beans. Mung beans are particularly beneficial for the digestive health and the gut health. So let's get started. Rice and mung beans goes into the same pot. I'm using the same quantity of each, and wash these in the cold water. Once washed, turn the heat on, add some water. Now in here, to the 2 cups, 1 each of rice and mung beans, I've added 6 cups of hot boiling water. To this, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. It has got very strong anti-inflammatory properties, antioxidants, and which is particularly good for the winter season. Plus it gives that flavor to the khichdi, and of course the beautiful color that will come out of this. 1 teaspoon of salt. Let it boil until it gets to thick, mushy and soup consistency. Now take it to another level by adding 1 tablespoon of the fresh crushed ginger into this. Again, with ginger is proven to have powerful medicinal properties. Especially in winter, it gives you that lovely warm feeling, and it is good for digestion system. For now, I cover it and let it get cooked. 20 minutes into the cooking or boiling that, I can tell straight away it needs more water because the mung beans are not fully done yet. So add some more hot boiling water. Another cup for now. And let's cover it again. Another 10 minutes into the cooking, and you can see it's all turning very mushy and kind of lumpy. So khichdi is ready at this stage. It can be served again by adjusting the consistency that you like. I like it running consistency, so I'm going to add another cup of hot boiling water there and mix it all up. I can add big dollop of butter or ghee on the top and serve it as it is. On the other hand, I'm going to give it another level of deliciousness by using a separate pan this time. Add some ghee to it, or alternatively, if you haven't got access to ghee, use the butter, or you can even use olive oil to make it vegan. The next ingredient that I'm going to add is the cumin seeds. Now, as soon as they've gone and touched the ghee, they have started spluttering, and I shall turn the heat off. And the cumin seeds have got those qualities about digestion health, and this goes into khichdi. Once I've done that, just mix it all. Again, I can stop it here, but I've got another ingredient that I love it. It's black peppercorn. I'm not using a lot, just a little. It has got the warming properties, and it will give that little bit of that heat taste to the khichdi. Mix it all up, and those black peppercorn are actually releasing really nice aroma. So khichdi is ready to be served. Add a big dollop of ghee or butter, and it is really yummy and tasty dish. I hope you've enjoyed this video and you will give this khichdi a try, and I also hope that you have found some value to the contents today. We'll see you shortly. Until then, you take care and God bless you all. Bye-bye for now.